Welcome. In this video, we're walking through the quick and easy steps to delete your workplace from your Facebook profile. Whether you're switching jobs or just want to keep your profile more private, updating your work details only takes a minute. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it's opened, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, scroll a bit until you see your name and profile picture. Tap on your profile to open your main profile page. This is where all your personal information, photos, and details appear. From here, tap Edit Profile. You'll usually find it just under your name and profile picture. Once you're in the editing screen, scroll down and tap Edit Details. This will take you to the section where you can manage your about info, like your work, education, and places you've lived. Now, under the work section, you'll see your current or past workplace listed. To make changes, tap the edit icon, which looks like a small pencil right next to the workplace name. This will open a detailed editing screen for your workplace. To remove your current workplace, just tap the small X next to the workplace name. Once you tap that, the workplace entry will disappear. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. You can do this by tapping save or done, depending on your phone's version of the app. Once saved, your workplace information will no longer appear on your profile. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your workplace from Facebook. It's always good to review your profile every once in a while to make sure the information reflects what you want to share. If this walkthrough helped you, go ahead and hit like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.